news about Jesus as gone to John chapter 1 from verse 35 to verse 51. Jesus called him first set of follower them. The next day, John did there the said place with two of him follower them. Now, Jesus did a walk past and John see him and shout out, "Oh no, look, see God baby sheep there." As John says so, him two follower them start follow back at Jesus. When Jesus turn around and see them, him ask them say, "I wanna what?" So them answer him and say, "Rabbi, where you live?" Rabbi in a Fidem language mean teacher. "Come," Jesus say, "Uno come and uno will see which part me stay." At about 4 o'clock in the evening. So them go and see which part him did a live and them turn him yard for the rest of the day. Simon Peter did have one brother named Andrew. Now, Andrew did one of John two follower them. We did follow Jesus after them hear what John did say about him. The first thing Andrew do after he meet Jesus, I find him brother Simon and tell him say, "We find the Messiah." In a Fidem language that mean Christ. And he carry Simon go which part Jesus did there. When Jesus see Simon, him look upon him and say, "You are Simon, John boy picnic. From now on, your name Cephas." In a Fidem language, that they are the name for Peter. Philip and Nathanael start follow Jesus. The next day, Jesus make up his mind for left go to Galilee. Him find one man named Philip and said to him, say, "Follow back on me." Philip did come from one town named Bethsaida, the said place Andrew and Peter come from. After Jesus find him, Philip find Nathanael and tell him, say, "We find this somebody when Moses write about in the law. They said the one the prophet them write about too. Him named Jesus and he come from Nazareth. Him a Joseph boy picnic." But Nathanael said to Philip, say, "Nazareth. Nothing good can come out of that the place there." So Philip said to him, say, Come see for yourself." When time Jesus see Nathanael a come which part him there, this a what he say about him. "Kuya, Damanya our Israelite for true. Damanya not tell no lie." Nathanael said to him, say, "How come you know me?" Jesus answered him and say, "Me see you from when you did under the fig tree before Philip called you." When Nathanael heard Jesus said that day, he said, "Rabbi, teacher, you are God boy picnic for true. You are the king where rule over Israel." So Jesus said to him, say, "You believe in me? Can me tell you, say, me did see you under the fig tree? Me I tell you no, for true, say, you go and see the sky open up, and you know I go see God the angel them, I go up in heaven, and I come down upon the earth to the man where God pick." And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.